bạn đến với chương trình The Nail Tip Show. Hôm nay em sẽ chia sẻ với các bạn làm halo nails với sản phẩm Joy. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to do halo nails from Joy's products. As you guys requested from the previous video, so today let's do halo nails. So let's get started. Like I said earlier, as requested, you guys want to see halo nails. As you can see here, they have 24 color collection. Today, I'm just sharing with you with two of their color. I just like this because I feel like with the fall, again, a lot of people wanted more darker tone, and I find this one, you don't have to do a lot of design, but yet it still gives you a lot of design look to it, and it's easy and it's simple. So what I have done here already is just 3 nails here, and I used 2 of these color. Obviously, there's more to pick out from, but just for a quick video and a quick design, I thought I'll give you something fast and easy you can use it in everyday salon. So hôm nay em sẽ chia sẻ với các bạn một cái halo nails dùng hai cái màu mà em thích với sản phẩm Joy với cái màu halo màu 16 với halo màu 5. So bây giờ em sẽ bắt đầu ha. Trước khi then you want to start off with the black base. So I'm using the JMG 83, and then I'm just gonna put a first coat on first. So you want to apply generous enough where you will have it pretty well coverage with the first coat. Các bạn muốn đắp một lần mà đắp cho nó đều hết thì các bạn khỏi cần đi sơn cái lớp lần thứ hai. Tại đối với em á, mình làm cái halo này hay là cái cat eye á, là mình cộng thêm một cái layer, rồi mình không có cần cho cái màu nó sắc sảo đậm cho lắm. Nếu mà các bạn sơn đều tay thì các bạn sơn một lớp là cũng đủ rồi. So you want to be generous and well coated with first coat, so then you don't have to go in with the second. Okay, and I do the same with this one. This color is pretty pigmented. I feel like with the first coat, you can get a well coverage with the first coat, so then you don't have to do 2 coats. That way you don't add a lot of thickness to the nail too. Các bạn nếu mà sơn đều tay với lại một lớp đó, thì các bạn không có cần sơn 2 lớp. Làm vậy thì cái móng nó sẽ không có dày. Ok, so bây giờ mình bỏ vô máy hơi LED 1 phút. So go in the lamp for 1 minute with LED. Okay, so after 1 phút, after 1 minute with LED lamp, I'm just gonna go in with the JMH, which is the halo number 16. And you want to shake this polish before you use them. You want to shake it well. I would suggest while you're waiting for your nails to get cured, shake it and leave it sit for about 5 to 10 seconds before you open the polish. Same thing, you just want to do it not too thick but very generous coat, even coat. Mình muốn đắp cho nó đều tay ha. And after that, I'm just gonna do this. So you want to put it, if you look at close side view, if I put it up, the glitter, the halo will expand bigger, but if I go tighter, then it's go in smaller. So you just have to practice and kind of, use it however you want it. Like I said, look, if I pull it up, look how the halo move wider, and I pull it tighter, then the halo is smaller. So just matter of preference, and I guess depends on your design. You don't have to leave it this long. I'm just making a point, but in the salon, I would say leave it there for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then go in the lamp to flash cure it. So I'll flash cure it about 10 to 15 seconds with the LED lamp. You see this too, just to show, to make my point is that when I pull it tighter, the halo is smaller, and when I pull out more, then the halo is bigger. So lúc mà các bạn bỏ cái halo, cái magnet đó sát vô thì cái halo nó sẽ nhỏ, còn các bạn bỏ nó xa ra thì cái halo nó sẽ bự hơn. Giống như em muốn làm thử cho hai cái cho các bạn thấy nè. Cái này em bỏ nó gần hơn thì cái halo nó sẽ nhỏ hơn, còn cái này em bỏ nó xa ra cao lên chút xíu thì cái halo nó sẽ bự hơn. Thì cái này tùy theo các bạn, lúc mà các bạn tập á, các bạn thấy mình muốn design kiểu nào thì mình làm kiểu đó. Nhưng mà trung bình các bạn bỏ gần hay sát thì các bạn chỉ cần bỏ tới 5 giây thôi. Rồi flash cure nó ít nhất 10 giây với cái LED lamp thì nó sẽ giữ cái design cho mình. I'm done with that one. Then I'm gonna go in with this JMH, which is the Joamia Halo number 5 here. For this nail, I'm gonna use it as one of design, so I'm not gonna put all over entire nail. I'm just gonna do it like a 3/4 of a nail. Because I'm gonna put a design to it. Like I said earlier, this is kind of break it off a little bit too, but it's quick and easy. Put generous coat to it, make sure you have nice coverage. Okay, and then the halo, and with the magnet, so put it about there. I'm just gonna cure it from 3 to 5, and then I'm gonna put right there. And then if you see the line move a little bit, I'm just gonna cure that. See, the good thing about it is that you can change it as long like just say you're not happy with the design, you can move it as long as you didn't cure it yet. That's a nice thing about it, is that you can change it as well. So then I'm gonna put in the lamp for about 10 seconds. So after it cured, I'm just flash cure about, like I said, 10 seconds, and that will hold the design. Look how pretty that is. I did this right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the top coat and apply it all over the entire nail. Basically, I just want the surface to be wet. Then I'm gonna put like the little square stud. Like I said, I find out with the halo, it has so much, it's like a dancing nails already. I don't want to take away from the design, so you just want to do something like add little something to it, but I don't want to do a lot, because that way it doesn't take away the halo nails that you trying to achieve here. So just something to break away, you know, the nail a little bit, but still give that little accent. Em mới làm đó là em mới bỏ giống như cái square stud đó, nó là giống cái metal charm thôi, nó là gold. So em bỏ lên, em bỏ cái top coat. Bây giờ I'm just bỏ lên. So now I guess your goal is just try to line them up straight. Make sure you have it straight before you cure it. The gel is still wet. It's easy to move around. So just make sure you're happy with the. So you want to flash cure about 15 seconds, because I'm gonna put the top coat. After 15 seconds, I'm gonna put the top coat on this nail right here. That way it can cure the whole minute together. So em bây giờ cái ngón này em mới flash cure 15 giây thôi, tại vì em muốn bỏ nó ra rồi em bỏ cái top coat này vô. Okay, I'm just gonna put the top coat, bỏ cái top coat nó lên. Okay, and go ahead, put it in for 1 minute with LED lamp. So after 1 minute, I cure both nails already, but remember I have the stud on this one, so you want to put another coat, a top coat, so it keeps the design anchor it on. So sau khi em cure hai cái ngón 1 phút, bây giờ em sẽ bỏ thêm một coat, cái top coat nữa, là tại vì em muốn giữ cái stud này nó chắc và bền, Thì bây giờ em sẽ bỏ thêm một lớp nữa. Ok, so giờ bỏ vô lại 1 phút với LED lamp. So after 1 minute, we are complete. So look at this, check this out. I love this. Like I said, it's a quick and simple, pretty easy I would say, because you just apply the color on, but very nice. Look how nice that is, pretty cool. So now all you have to do, I'm just gonna put the oil from Artistic. This is the cuticle oil. So then you just ready for photos. Bây giờ các bạn bỏ dầu vô cho nó mịn cái da chút xíu, rồi các bạn có thể chụp hình and then post your work. So just give a little massage. There you go. Nice and complete. Just gonna wipe it off a little bit on a nail. Okay, and that's it. Keep the oil on the skin. So now that is the final look. How'd you guys like it? Very nice. Tell me your nails are dancing. Okay. Go ahead, keep it for Daddy. Okay, so that's complete our video and our tutorial today. If you like to see how I prepped and scoped out ballerina nail shape, there's links in the description box. Please check that out. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please give us a thumb up and subscribe our channel. Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi chương trình và em hẹn gặp lại chương trình kế tiếp. Bye!